Good morning, scholars. Today is Friday, April 24th. This week in ELA, we have been focusing on the long U sound for our phonics. We have been working with adjectives in our language and main idea and supporting details in reading. Let's take a look at today's phonics. So we know that there are different ways that we can spell the long U. One of those ways is in clue. Clue. It's spelled with the U-E. Today in our work, we're going to be searching for words and sentences that have the long U sound, oo, and are spelled with U-E. We also are going to be looking for words that are spelled with U-I, like in suit, suit. You see that the long U sound is spelled with a U-I, and that's found in the middle of the word. We'll be looking for those in sentences too. And the last spelling pattern that we'll be looking for in sentences is the EW. It says oo also, like in flu. Flu. So today, let's take a look at the work we'll be doing. We will find this long U, search and sort today. It will have words that are spelled with UI, EW, and UE. So here's our job in this today. We're going to search for the long U vowel sounds. We're going to read each sentence, and as we read them, we will underline the U sound. Number one was already done for us. The clue led him to the blue lagoon. So you can see that clue and blue are both already underlined for us. We'll read sentence number 2. The crew picked up all of the fruit off of the apple trees, and continue on. Read sentences 3, 4, and 5. Now in part 2, all the underlined words you found, you're going to sort them like we've been doing this week and put them into the right category. So I see clue is spelled with a U-E, so I'm going to write clue here under U-E. I see that blue also spelled with a U-E, so I'll write it here in U-E. That's going to be our phonics and spelling work today. We also have been working on parts of speech. We are focusing on adjectives today. Remember, an adjective describes nouns. So what is a noun? A noun is a person, place, or thing. So when we think about describing nouns, we have to think of what's a noun? It's a person, it's a place, or thing. So who's a person you know? How about Miss Moseley? I'm a person. So how can we describe me? Well, I am a girl. I have long hair. Let's see. We want to think of words to describe me, so I want to think of just words. So maybe I'm funny, I'm fun and exciting. Those are all words that can describe me. What about a place? Think about your favorite park that you've been to. Is it fun there? That's an adjective. Is it clean? That's an adjective. We can also think of colors. So what about a thing? Here's Miss Moseley's coffee cup. What can we say about this cup? Is it green? Yep, that's a describing word. It is, can we say the handle is round? That describes it. Is it soft or is it hard? It's hard. So ways that we describe nouns, people, places, or things, those are adjectives. Today in your work, you're going to be looking at a picture and describing it. Okay, in our reading today, we're still focusing on our main idea. And remember, our main idea is the most important thing about the topic. And what's the topic? It's the person, place, or thing that's being written about. So we're going to be reading a paragraph like we usually do. We're going to be finding the main idea in the paragraph. And then today we're going to be writing that main idea out. So you're going to be creating your own sentence. You're also going to be finding supporting details. Remember, those give us information about the main idea. Let's take a quick look at that work we'll be doing. In today's main idea work, we're going to be reading a paragraph about working dogs. It says on here when we start, main idea of the text tells what the text is mostly about. The supporting details are sentences that support the main idea. We already know the topic is working dogs, so we're going to find out what about working dogs. What is this text mainly talking about? So we'll read the sentence here, and then we'll find our supporting ideas. Once we find our main idea, you can use your highlight tool to do that as you're reading your paragraph. You're going to be writing it in here where it says main idea. So you could tap the T for text, and you could type that out and place it right here in the main idea. And then when you're finding your supporting details, you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to look here. There's choices A, B, C, D, E, and F. And you're going to look what are some details that can support your main idea. Again, once you circle the main idea you want to use, you could tap the T for text and you could type in that supporting detail and put it next to each of these bullet points. All right, scholars, that is our ELA work for today. I hope you have an awesome day. And you guys have been working hard all week, so thank you for doing that great job. Keep up the great work and have an awesome day of learning.